Hello class, I will be giving a presentation on Indonesia and the Internet of Things. My name is Chris Zayman. What is IoT? It is devices that are connected to the Internet that also communicate with each other, collect information, analyze data, and create an action with communicating those. And the definition that I found that is on the Wired article. Who in Indonesia is invested in IoT? The government, Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, which one example of the government already starting to use this is with the OK O-Trip Integrated Transit Cashless Payment, which is to make mobility more seamless and affordable in urban centers in Indonesia. Utilities, real estate, business services, agriculture, and then last of all, households, which account for 3% of IoT as of now. Then we go into the commercial sector with Next Indonesian Unicorns, which is fueled by the government that encourages companies to get started, or unicorn startups in Indonesia to get established IoT, starting to use it. And you can see it with the manufacturing industry, with the automotive, electronics, chemicals, and textile and garment industries in particular. There's the healthcare sector, which there are apps that the government has provided where citizens provide their healthcare information, and that information is collected and it's sent to a big data hub. And it's expected that this information will be all collected by 2020 and then used. And then last of all, insurance, banking and security, retail, wholesale, and computer and repair sectors. Why? Why is Indonesia investing in IoT? It's part of their launching Making Indonesia 4.0 roadmap, which is to lead Indonesia into the top 10 economies, increase manufacturing GDP by 5% by 2025, help manufacturers determine the level of productivity, which the government has allowed that to happen by releasing Indonesia Industry 4.0 Readiness Index, or INDI 4.0. Where is this in Indonesia? It's focused on urban areas so far, with 440 cities being laid with fiber optic. It could extend to rural areas since, according to a survey in the Indonesian Concerns about the Internet of Things, many citizens thought that IoT can really help out the agricultural part of the economy. And as you can see on the chart, there's also other ideas of where IoT may be desired by individuals in Indonesia. When is IoT coming to Indonesia? Well, it's already there, with 400 million sensor devices estimated to be there. It's expected to become fully fledged by 2030, as that's the time that Indonesia wants to be in the top 10 economies, and they can do it with the aforementioned programs. And these have deadlines for the 2020s. However, though, for the manufacturing index, that's for 2019, as well as the Pulpa ring, which is essentially what I mentioned earlier, with the 440 cities being laid with fiber optic for better internet connection, and is expected to reach $30 billion in value by 2022. I'm talking about IoT. How? Well, modernizing the infrastructure with fiber optic, boosting internet connectivity, encouraging education in the younger workforce in IoT, as well as providing resources to companies. Which, talking about the education, the minister of the Department of Communication Technologies did mention that that's Indonesia's primary interest as of now, is in IoT and having a workforce familiar with that. And there's also concerns in Indonesia that had to do with the reliability, privacy, family concerns, as well as even some moral concerns when it comes to IoT. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and here are my references. Have a great day.